For years now, the world has been watching a quiet race between the biggest tech companies on the planet. Everyone has been trying to build the first real humanoid robot that can actually live and work alongside people. Boston Dynamics tried it. Honda tried it years ago with their famous Asimo robot. Big Chinese companies like Unitree have been pushing hard. Even Apple and Google have been quietly working on their own ideas. But while everyone was busy talking, one man kept building. And now in 2026, it looks like Elon Musk has finally pulled ahead of every single one of them. The new upgraded Tesla Optimus, which insiders are calling the Ultra version, is no longer a science project. It is real, it is working, and it is about to change the way the world functions. So let us slow down and look at exactly what just happened, because the numbers behind this story are honestly hard to believe. Let us start with the basics. Tesla Optimus is a humanoid robot that stands about 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs around 57 kilograms. That is roughly the size of an average adult. It carries up to 20 kilograms in its arms, which is enough to lift a heavy box of groceries or a bin of factory parts. But the real magic is not in the size. It is in what is happening inside the body. The new Optimus runs on the same artificial intelligence brain that powers Tesla's self-driving cars. This is something no other robot company in the world has. Tesla has spent billions of dollars training its AI on millions of miles of real driving data, and now all of that knowledge is being moved into the robot. That is why this upgrade feels so different. Now let us talk about the hands, because this is where Tesla really shocked the industry. The new Optimus has 22 degrees of freedom in each hand. That is a fancy way of saying it can move its fingers in 22 different ways. The older version only had 11. That means the new model is twice as good at touching, holding, and feeling things. Each hand has 25 small motors called actuators, which adds up to 50 motors just in the hands. The fingers can grab a soft egg without breaking it, tie shoelaces, fold laundry. Tesla says the precision of the hand reaches 0.08 millimeters, which is thinner than a human hair. With this level of control, the company says Optimus can now perform more than 3,000 different household and industrial tasks. That is a huge jump from what any other humanoid robot can do today. The brain is even more impressive. The new Optimus uses Tesla's full self-driving computer, the same chip family that drives over 1.28 million Tesla cars on real roads right now. Tesla also confirmed that a new chip called AI-5 is coming by the end of 2026, and it will be roughly 40 times faster than the chip used today. On top of this, the robot can connect with Grok, the powerful language model built by Elon Musk's other company called xAI. This means Optimus can not only walk and lift things, it can also talk, understand questions, and reason like a smart assistant. The battery inside is 2.3 kilowatt hours, which is enough for about 8 hours of light work or 4 to 6 hours of heavy factory work. That matches a normal human work shift. Now let us get to the part that is shaking the entire industry, the production numbers. In April 2026, Tesla released its official first quarter earnings report. Tesla confirmed that it is shutting down its old Model S and Model X car production lines at the Fremont factory in California. Those lines are being turned into a brand new Optimus production line that can build up to 1 million robots every single year. Elon Musk said the first Optimus units will start rolling off this line in late July or August of this year. Tesla also showed satellite images of a huge new factory site right next to its Texas Gigafactory. According to permit documents, Tesla is building 5.2 million square feet of new factory space. The investment is between $5 and $10 billion. And the long-term goal of this Texas plant is to produce 10 million Optimus robots every year. To put that in perspective, the entire global car industry only makes around 90 million cars per year. So, Tesla is planning to build robots at a scale that nobody has ever attempted before. The price is also something nobody saw coming. The starting price for the new Optimus is expected to be around $20,000 to $30,000. That is cheaper than most new cars sold in America today. Elon Musk has said many times that as production grows, the price will keep dropping. He believes Optimus could one day be as affordable as a smartphone. Goldman Sachs analysts have already pointed out that mass production could push the cost down very quickly, because Tesla controls almost the entire supply chain. They build their own motors, their own chips, their own batteries, and their own software. No other robot company in the world has this kind of full control. The real reason this matters is what comes next. Tesla plans to first put Optimus to work inside its own factories. The robots will move parts, sort tools, and help with simple assembly. By the end of 2026, Tesla wants thousands of these robots active in its own buildings. Once they prove themselves, Tesla will start selling them to outside customers. The first wave will go to factories, warehouses, and logistics companies, places where the work is repeating and predictable. After that, the robots will move into homes. And this is where the world really starts to change. A $20,000 robot that can cook, clean, fold clothes, watch the kids, and answer the door could replace a washing machine, a dishwasher, a vacuum, and a personal assistant all in one. Morgan Stanley analysts have already estimated that the humanoid robot market could grow into a $5 trillion industry by 2050. Elon Musk himself has said many times that he believes Optimus will become the biggest product Tesla ever makes, even bigger than its cars. Now compare this to the rest of the industry. Boston Dynamics still has not started mass production. Their Atlas robot is amazing in videos, but it costs hundreds of thousands of dollars to make, and it is not for sale. Chinese companies like Unitree are pushing hard, but they do not have Tesla's AI training data or its global factory network. Apptronic, Figure AI, and others are all racing, but none of them have a 1 million unit factory ready to switch on this year. That is the reason analysts are now saying Elon Musk has officially won this round. Tesla is not just building one robot, it is building the first real humanoid robot factory ecosystem on Earth. There are still risks, of course. Musk himself admitted that 0 Optimus robots were doing useful work inside Tesla factories at the start of 2026. He has missed his own deadlines many times. The first version of Optimus that ships will be slow, and the company has said the early production rate is hard to predict. But even with all of that, the direction is clear. The factories are being built, the chips are being made, the AI is being trained, the supply chain is locked in, and the cost is dropping fast. So here's the simple truth. While other companies have been showing off cool demo videos for years, Tesla has been quietly building the actual production line. And now in 2026, that line is about to switch on. The age of humanoid robots is no longer a future idea. It is starting right now, this summer, in California. And Elon Musk is sitting at the front of the line. If you enjoyed this video and you want to keep up with all the latest stories about Tesla, Optimus, and the future of artificial intelligence, please hit the like button right now and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us bring you more videos like this one. Tell us in the comments below, would you buy an Optimus robot if it cost the same as a small car? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.